Darum, that is my point of view. Why would you put it as a legitimate news when you haven't even asked the other party? You did. If you are a really good reporter, a good journalist,
You don't have to be good. You just have to be responsible.
you just have to be right. You just have to be governed with ethical practices.
As Filipinos, we are going to also showcase our culture because people are asking why are these Filipinos in the Netherlands? Why are they in Conundrum? Why are they always doing events? Why
Yeah.
are they always doing this?
Yeah.
So on that day, we are going to start to educate people,
Yeah.
especially
It's a perfect opportunity for us to showcase our Filipino, di ba? Katawa makabuang. It's a perfect opportunity for us to
Correct.
showcase our Filipino culture and traditions, and also why we are doing what we are doing in relation to the what many of us call illegal detention.
Actually, it's kidnapping.
Yeah, Well, ordinary layman's is called kidnapping of our former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
Yes.
So it's a must. If you are available,
Benelux?
it must be a must for you
Yes.
to come.
especially Benelux area, Belgium, Luxembourg, and Netherlands,
Yeah.
and Germany. If you are available on the 26th of April, we welcome all of you to come here. There is no registration. There is only your presence is needed to be
Yeah,
here.
exactly.
So, looking forward for you guys to come. Also, we encourage everyone, well, it's not required, but we encourage everyone, if you can wear a Filipino attire,
Yeah.
you can wear a Filipino attire because Alvin and
Wala, wala lagi ko yung una to sa inyo ha. Unfair kayo mo.
So unsa? Pero Pilipiniana ka?
Dili kay ko ka na nakay mo na.
Muslim attire.
Okay, ako lahip ko.
Panubo imuha, di ba?
Mag-review, i-review niyo po yung yung park, yung Duterte
Ay,
Park.
oo. Guys, by the way, 3,100 viewers, yung Duterte Park, pag pumunta po kayo sa, hello ate, sa Maps, Google Maps, pwede po kayong mag-leave ng reviews. I-review niyo po doon.
For this person.
For this, sige na. I-review nyo po doon na magandang review lahat dito. Kasi dito po, ganito po. Park niya po ito. Yan, park niya ito. Oh. Oh. So ito guys, i-review nyo po ito guys. Please leave a review po. Let us review the park. Kasi nga, yung park na ito, kailangan natin i-review sa Google. Kaloy sa Bermuda, oy, pangauli ng taon sa tatay, kay ang Davao, kay Luoy na jud ang Bermuda. Naluoy ka sa Bermuda, mas luoy si tatay Digong, kay gipaprison nyo, diha, nawa siya, gibuhat na dautan. Unsa man taon mo? Yan, luoy pa kasi Bermuda. Huwag sila naluoy sa tatay, 80 anyos, ilang gipapriso. Muna, tarantan. Hindi ko magets bakit ang concern ninyo ang Bermuda. Mas concern pa dapat ninyo ang tatay natin na nasa loob. Ang Bermuda, maugag yun na. Ang sinasabi ko po, sige, magtagalog muna ako. Ang sinasabi ko po, bakit po concern ng mga kababayan ng medyo, ng iilan, yan na lang. Bakit po kino-concern ng iilan ang Bermuda, hindi ba kayo concern sa mismong tatay natin na kinulong dyan, wala namang saktong proseso. Pinakulong-kulong nyo dyan, tapos ngayon, nahirapan na tayong kunin. Kayo kaya ikulong dyan na wala kayong, hindi makibinigyan ng due process. O ano kayo ngayon? Huwag niyong intindihin yung Bermuda kasi yung Bermuda, madali lang yan anuhin. Madali lang yan anuhin yung taniman, o babalik din yan. So, it's very revealing. Going back to the Attorney Kaufman interview, it's very revealing. It's very revealing that people are being manipulated by those who are in position. And it's very sad that media picked a narrative and reported it as if it's a legitimate news without even verifying the other party to make sure that you are only delivering a fair and objective news. If we are not going to call out this kind of actions, who are going to do that for us? How can we, as Filipinos, get over this narrative and cycle of deception, manipulation, feeding information to people without ethically trying, just even trying to deliver something that is factual. Kaya makinig talaga kayo kay Sas, kay Joey, kay Tio, kay Kokoy, kay Attorney Trixie, kay Kifi Chu, kay MJ. Makinig kayo sa mga taong yan, yung mga charge nila ngayon ng mga fake news, kuno doon sa Congress. If I were you, listen to them because they only wanted to tell you the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God. Ganon. Totoo yan. Totoo yan talaga, guys. Ngayon ko na nalaman how shallow it is or how shallow some other media outlets who actually reported something. Ganon. Okay. When the interview occurred today in the morning about what transpired with regards to the supposed or alleged ICC rejection of the appeal or whatnot, imagine how can you put out as a legitimate news something that's not even verified? How crazy is that? Isn't that revealing of what media is doing? Feeding the people? How about if the people receiving the information or the supposed news are not critical enough to even ask or bother to ask questions? Is it true? Is it real? Tanaw sa agang. Is it true? Is it real? Is it representative? Is it factual? Is it an objective news? Are they engaging in ethical principles of news reporting? When are we going to change? The only time that we are given the opportunity to change this narrative is through the upcoming election. That's why we need to vote PDP Laban. We need to vote those who are endorsed, especially that there's a pending especially if there's a pending impeachment complaint against our beloved Vice President. Nakasimple. Can you imagine? You're just trying to ferret out the truth, and then you are going to be charged as fake news peddler or whatnot. So how about now? What are you going to say? Or what are they going to say about the revelation that in fact the narrative being fed to the public, correct, being fed to the public are actually fallacious to begin with? Sa ako na mo, Dobby. Can you imagine how are you going to how are they going to go about that situation? Are they going to also call into Congress and cite these individuals in contempt? Muna kung pangutana dira. Muna kung pangutana diha. Muna siya. It is very telling. Can you imagine? Even Attorney Kaufman also said, what they did not tell you is that they were not yet in the present time, they are not representing the victims or supposed victims of this whatever allegations that they have. They did not even tell that. Was it even relayed to the public that they are not yet the representatives that they're claiming themselves to be? Mauna kong kalagutan Diba? Isn't that revealing? Can you imagine? In the morning, hapit ko na kuya pandiri naghuna-huna ko when wait sa gang. Can you imagine? Hapit ko na kuya kagayan naghuna-huna ko na the medias, different media outlets in the Philippines, they have already reported that the motion or whatever request from the legal camp of our former president was denied by the ICC, referring to the identification, blah 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 or whatnot. Now, Attorney Kaufman said, that's nonsense. We did not even file whatsoever, blah blah blah. That's a big fat lie. Yeah, well, you can refer to the video, but the bottom line is this: why would a media outlet, whatever media outlet is it, that why did they even?
I think it will always come back with Associated Press because we know for sure that Associated Press will get something and then they sell it into the medias, the
Yeah.
stories.
Yeah.
Okay, if you search something like say for example, Duterte in The Hague, all of the media outlets will have the same article.
Yeah.
And then they're just going to quote the AP.
No, that's already far. My point right now is this.
The thing is, they did not even verify and they
Darum, that is my point of view. Why would you put it as a legitimate news when you haven't even asked the other party? You did. If you are a really good reporter, a good journalist,
You don't have to be good. You just have to be responsible.
you just have to be right. You just have to be governed with ethical practices.
Ayamot ako sa mukha mo, bakit baka fresh oil?
That's mana. And then, can you imagine? I was like, oh my, even the facial expression of Attorney Kaufman was really telling. They were really telling. Unsa may problema?
Angeles.
Mag-selfie. Di na mo makahulat. Oh, ikaw na po yung
Yes. So, you know, if you are a really responsible journalist or a media outlet, you have to really verify first if what you're actually going to release to the public, because you know, unsa man di ay, what is your purpose there as a media? Diba? To tell the truth. You don't add something, you don't increase, you don't decrease the information. What is given is what you actually say. But as we see kaganina sa interview kay Attorney Kaufman, they didn't even have that yet, diba? But the news outlets already have that and they already given the report about sa katong mga requirements. That's very irresponsible. And it's not just actually fake information. That's, you know, that's misinformation, that's peddling misinformation. And then when you come to the vloggers, you always tell the vloggers that they're peddling misinformation and you call them to the public hearing, but you yourself, you can't even call out the mainstream media. To me, that's very pathetic. Balik na sa isa ka. Ibalik na ako sa isa ka. Isa pod ka pathetic. But busy pa man si Alvin. So, yeah. So, kita mismo ng mga tao, di ba? They really up in the ass of the vloggers. Nga.
Lolo, kaganyan ko. Uy!